Vande Ramadutam. The Supreme Mother Goddess, with all her immense powers, created the whole universe and retains it in her eternal womb, thus protecting it. She is the fundamental support, that is Mooladhara of this universe. She, in her incarnated form of Sri Suvarnalakshmi, bestows great successes and wealths of all kinds upon all living beings, upon the whole mankind, and also upon the five elements of nature. Now, in this Kali Yuga era, Sri Suvarnalakshmi Devi is doing that in Bhagavan Sri 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 Ramaduta Swamiji's form. In fact, Sri Suvarnalakshmi Devi and Sri 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 Ramaduta Swamiji are one and the same. All the welfare acts for the world, that is Loka Kalyana, are done by her, embedded within Bhagavan Sri 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 Ramaduta Swamiji. In order to pave the golden path for our bright future through the sacred blessings and grace of Bhagavan Sri 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 Ramaduta Swamiji, there is excellent golden opportunity for us by attending and participating in Sri Venu Dattatreya Swami Abhayamala Viraman, Sri Suvarnalakshmi Vrata Diksha and Sri Ashtalakshmi Siddhi Vrata Diksha Vaibhavam Utsavam, a festival to be held on 5th May 2024, Sunday, at Sri Ramaduta Swami Ashram in Venugopal Nagar, Chevuru village near Kavali, AP. This invitation is to all those who want to seek blessings of Swamiji. Vande Ramadutam.